Probably the most important part is most people, we say, engage us when you're going to be doing your LOI estimate. So you get that OM, or maybe it's an off market deal and you have the information and you've kind of looked it over and you think, hey, I'm pretty sure I'm going to maybe put in a submission for LOI. That's really when you want to think of us. We actually built out for the group a LOI department. So we have individuals that only do this for Think Multifamily 24/7. And they're there to just give those LOI estimates. And the nice thing with our LOI estimates is we are doing them based off of what we believe will be roughly the requirements, lender requirements. So you get a pretty accurate LOI estimate using a combination of manually quoted ourselves. If we can't do that, then we're using a lot of times recent closes in the area. And then we kind of have a rate table for some of these carriers, depending on the state. So we're using those three factors to kind of give you an idea what insurance might cost.